So, hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to tell you how file handling works in Python. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this file quiz2.txt which I've prepared, and there are only 3 lines in this. I just copy some of the contents from here. And it's the I don't know from where just text. Okay, that's it. Sick. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to read a file. So fp equals to open. This is a function which is used for opening a file. You can see that the mode switch and the we can say the parameters which are used in this function. So first of all, I'm going to pass the file name, which is quiz2.txt, and another thing is plus, right? So read, which is only going to read the is equals to the fp dot read and 30. So it is only going to read first 30 characters from the file and just print the I'm just going to print the data and fp dot close. So this will close the oh, it's just typo typing error. Yeah, that's it. If I give it around 39, then so it will give me the first 39 characters from the file. So next function, which is I'm going to show you, that is the how we can get to know where we are right now. Our cursor is in which place it is. So fp.tell, and this will tell us the location of our cursor. Does this place? It is located over there. What is this? So for example, if we want to go, we are here and we want to start from fifth or first character, then what we will do? Then there is a function called seek that will, so these are the parameters which you can pass. So first of all, I'm going to get just yeah. So after that, I'm going to again use this, and so yeah. Okay, so I just up a little space. So initially it was on 0th position, then it reaches to 42 position, then again after seek it reaches to 5th position. So that's how this seek function works. Next is read lines. So what are the read lines function? I'm going to tell you. So read lines, that's it, and just going to print the data. Yeah. So what is the error is just because it converts the data into a lines. So for using this, we need to for I in data print I. So what I have done, this function has converted the data into a generator and no iterator, and for getting a value we need to pass one value at a time. So that's it. So you can see how this is works. These are scientists in the institute. That's it. Next, which is another function, read line, which I'm going to tell you. Just copy this content and and just one and yeah, researcher. Okay, that's not a good one. Just okay, yeah, researcher. So after reaching at 0, we have written a first line. For example, if you write this again and again, then it will just give us the researcher, scientist, and it will keep on printing the data till the file ends. So that's it for read lines. Next, what I'm going to do is going to write the data. So how we will write the data? So for this, I'm going to change the mode on which I'm opening the file. I'm going to type here W. W is for writing, R is for reading. So fp dot write, and I'm going to write a text. Let's just take some text from. Oh, I don't want you. Okay. Pass. This is just a MySQL file which is going to tell you in future tutorial. And okay, 0 9. So let's just see. Basically one file. Okay, so read lines. Yeah, so what this have done, I'm going to actually show you. It has taken all the data and just written that all this stuff, bunch of stuff. What if have this as this type of contents, and now what happens is again same thing. What if we want to write multiple lines, not a single line? So write lines and just give her I just make a list. Data equals to so let's just take yeah, and just take it. See, we just and above and that's Alferdize. That's it, and just write down the data. Yeah, and what you can see is let me just so that's done. Don't forget to subscribe and